John Calvelli with the National Italian American Foundation.
Friuli Venezia Giulia has been the region of honor this past year. What has it meant to you? And being that the year's almost over, what grade can you give it?
I can only give it an A+, and for me it was a voyage of personal discovery. I had never been to Friuli Venezia Giulia, and it was very interesting when I told my father that I was going there with the NIAF board. He said to me in Italian, "Ma dove vai in Germania? Where are you going? To Germany?" Because from the region where my family's from, Calabria, you couldn't get much farther away than Friuli Venezia Giulia. And then I spoke to my mother while I was in Friuli, and she said, "Call your uncle in Portland, Oregon, of all places," and he sends me a photo while I'm in Friuli of my grandfather who fought in Friuli during World War I. And it was very emotional. It's still emotional for me now as I think about it, that one of the first photos of my grandfather was taken in Trieste in 1919. So this personal connection to this region, which I didn't even think of. And then you meet the people and you see this place and you eat the food and you get the real sense that you're at a very, very special place in Italy. And it's not a confini, as I said, it's the heart of Italy because it really brings the best of Italy forward.
What's the future of this collaboration?
Well, I think the beauty of the collaboration is that it never ends. We're celebrating our 50th anniversary next year. Each year we have a different region of Italy that we celebrate. But most importantly, we don't forget our friends. And today, I was able to bring with me the leadership of the New York City Tourism and Convention Bureau, very important entity that promotes New York City around the world. And the fact is, we're going to start conversations about how we can promote Friuli in New York and New York in Friuli. So the conversation will not end, and the relationship is just beginning.